Okay, Lilo and Stitch fans, this is for you. This is how you can make a really cute and mischievous Stitch puppet out of a toilet paper roll and some paper. First, grab a paper roll and glue some blue paper onto the outside. Next, draw and carefully cut out a blue circle out of the same color paper. On light blue paper, draw and carefully cut out two smaller circles. On the same sheet of paper, draw and cut out a shape that looks like an oval with the bottom cut off. Next, draw and cut out little shapes that kind of look like little dog ears or rounded teardrops. You'll need two blue and two pink that are slightly smaller than the blue. Glue the two shapes together to create Stitch's ear. Next, glue the two small circles onto the large circle. Next, draw a nose under the two blue circles with a black marker. I made mine look like a little dog nose, but you can make yours however you want. Next, it's time to give Stitch his eyes. I drew mine like little fat teardrops with the points pointing towards the nose. I added little highlights to his eyes with a white gel pen to make him look extra mischievous. Okay, now it's time to glue little Experiment 626 together with your favorite craft glue. One little detail that I almost forgot was Stitch has notches cut out of his ears, so don't forget those. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Lilo and Stitch character is. Alright, now you have your very own little Stitch to welcome into your family.